In the previous video, we explored the Viswas family, their 400-year-old Durga Puja and the wonderful 300-year-old Radha Govinda temple with its exquisite panels of terracotta. And today, hi friends, hope you're all doing good. This is the continuation of the previous video, second episode of the single day ride to Doshkhara. If you haven't seen the previous video, check out in the description below for the link. After the Biswas, we are off to the Roys, another famous family of this area. It's in the Roy Pada, just on the other side of the Tarokeshwar Memari Road. As you approach from Dhanyakhali, Biswas Badi is on the right and the Roys are on the left. This is a huge Victorian style gateway with an octagonal clock tower adjacent to it. The gateway has beautiful pillars and two lion statues on it, along with other figures. It has 4 clocks, but all are non-functional. The gateway is the handiwork of another noted personality of Doshkhara, Bipin Krishna Rai. He had also built a huge mansion with a picturesque colonial garden adjacent to the clock tower. Only a portion of the mansion remains, where there is a post office. On the back side of the mansion, there are some lovely marble statues, but we couldn't get in as the gate was locked. A boulevard inside the mansion takes you to the Roy Pada. Bipin Krishna Roy had also built a charitable dispensary, which was just opposite to his mansion and on the other side of the boulevard. A new charitable dispensary exists, which is still functional. Walking down the boulevard, I came across the mansion sitting pretty inside a huge water body. On its entrance, there still exists an old signage which mentions the district magistrate Mr. F.B. Bradley Bird first occupied this bungalow in way back in 1915. Actually, this mansion was also built by Bipin Krishna for Mr. Bradley Bird. Rashmoncho has European floral and figure designs on its wall. This is Durga Badi of the Roys. Its vivid color and decor makes you feel the extravaganza that used to be during those times. Even now, the Durga Puja is celebrated with lot of fanfare, but this year it's limited because of the pandemic. The Durga idol is decorated now. Let's talk to the artisan. Our ancestors used to make this idol. My father used to make this idol, then my brother. After brother's death, I am doing it along with my son. After the Roy's, let's go to the surprise location, the Baganbati of Chowkdigi. From Dojkhora, Chowkdigi is 6 kilometers and it's located within district Burdwan. Sprawling estate of Baganbati has some of the buildings which dates back to 350 years. It has been visited by viceroys, political stalwarts, influential personalities, reformers like Vidyasagar and legendary director Satyajit Ray, who also shot his award-winning film Ghore Baire in the campus. Built by French architects, belongs to the Sinha Roy family. The Sinha Roys were actually Rajputs who came to Bengal with Man Singh as part of the 10,000 Mansabdari and then stayed back to grow into their wealthy zamindars. The mansion remains closed throughout the year and visitors are not welcome except during the Durga Puja. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a Bengali polymath, key figure in Bengal Renaissance. The visit to such a place where history depicts his stay and work is something that thrills with the feeling of traveling back to the bygone era. These ruins are now what remains of once where stayed the biggest reformer of Bengal. Vidyasagar inspired Sharada Prasad Singha Roy to build her free school in 1857 and a hospital in 1859 at Chowkdigi, which is still functional and though it is government aided now, are still supported by the Chowkdigi family. A Durga Dalan can be seen inside the premises. The Durga Puja here is very private affair and no outsiders are allowed to witness the puja or photograph it. That brings to the end of today's video and our Dojkhora ride. It has been my pleasure to present it to you. Hope you have liked it too. Do like, share and subscribe and inspire. Till we meet again, take care and thanks for watching.